Have you ever heard of a 20th century pear before? I saw these and I immediately knew that I had to try them. They feel super dense. I'm thinking it's a cross between normal pear, Bartlett pear, and like an Asian pear. This texture doesn't feel like a Bartlett pear at all. I don't think if you let this sit, it would get as kind of the jammy, ripe, juicy pear. The texture is super firm. Crunch. What stands out here is that you also get a bigger piece than you would an Asian pear, even if the size is really large, because this is a thick boy. As we do with these, and I don't think we're going to experience any difference with this second one, buy two. Feel them, they're different ripeness levels. The first one was super firm. The second one, I picked it because it's a little bit softer. It is sweeter. Again, it's never gonna get to that place where it's just like the baked pear, jammy, pie filling kind of texture with this. The cell structure is not conducive to that, I don't think. With all the crosses and breeding that happens in Fruitland, do you have a preference of a traditional pear or like a crunchier Asian pear? Let me know down in the comments.